Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT-A. Here we will be discussing problem dice number of a starter 103 at Codechef. So in this problem, Alice and Bob are playing a game and each rolls a regular 6-faced dice 3 times. And the score of player is the maximum number that can be formed using the rules. And the player with highest score will win. If the game ends in tie, the both player will have the same score. So we have to determine the winner or find it whether it is a tie. So let's look at the input format. So you will be given a single integer t, which will be denoting the number of test cases. Then in every test case, there will be 6 spaced integer A1, A2, A3. Those are the scores of Alice. That means the number that she gets with every throw. And here is B1, B2, and B3 for Bob. Now we have to find out whether Alice wins, or Bob wins, or it is a tie. So what should be our general approach? Let's look at an example and try to figure it out. So in example, you can see here it is three total number of test cases. Then this is the input given. This 325 for Alice and 611 for Bob. So here we can see Bob is the winner. But how is it actually happening? Let's see. So you can see here 325 that is the score of Alice and 611 is of the Bob. So what is the maximum number you can form by using these digits? So basic idea should be to have the largest number at the right. So we have to put it in a descending order and then try to find out the number. Similarly, we will do it for Bob and we will get the highest number possible for the two. And then we just have to compare this. See, this one is Alice and this one is Bob. And you can see that Bob's number is higher than Alice. So in the first case, you can see that Bob is the winner because he can make 611 while Alice makes 532 only. So similarly in second case, you can see numbers are same 445, 544. So here the largest number that it can make is 544 and Bob also can make 544. So it is a tie. And in last case, you can see Alice is making 666 while Bob is making just 661. So Alice is the winner. You can see here there's an explanation too. And for test case 1, Alice's score is 532, that is by putting it in ascending order. And same for Bob is 611, which is more than Alice, so Bob wins. So now we have to figure out how will we code. So basically you have to take the input first. So first this is the number of test cases. Then here we will take the score of Alice and Bob separately. So we take A for Alice and B for Bob and take all the 3 inputs for the both. Now we can sort it. You have 2 ways, either sort it in ascending order or descending order. I have done here in ascending order. You can choose it to do in descending too. So if I have done it in ascending, so your largest number is the last number and the smallest is first one. So what we have done is get the number for Alice and get the number for Bob. the largest number possible. And for Alice, it will be her largest number into 100 plus her second largest number into 10 plus her smallest number. Basically, this is working like this. If you have 532, then this is an ascending order. So you have to, if you want to get 532, how will you get? You will multiply 5 by 100, 3 by 10, 2 by 1, and you will get the number. So same we have written here as the code. You can see the largest number into 100, then the second largest into 10, and then smallest. So we get the largest number possible for Alice as P and for Bob as Q. Now we simply just have to compare it because here we can see that we have to check who has the bigger number, and the one with bigger number is actually winning. So we just compare the Alice number and Bob number. If Alice number is higher, then we have to just print out Alice, and if Bob number is highest, then you have to print out Bob. Otherwise, it is a tie. So this would be your code, and you can try it another way by just doing it in descending order, and you don't have to use A2, A1, A0. You can use the reverse of it for a descending one, and you will obtain the same result by that too. Thank you.